What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup No Dere, aka at the verse. This morning at the verse for some guests when they Europe and some guests when they Nigeria. When you can put marriage now for competition. Before I go start to talk what I want to talk now, I will first give you an example. Go Libya marriage. They will show you how Libya they do marriage. Libya, before they go do marriage, they go get house and car before they will give their girl out. But Nigeria not be like that. But they say traveler is a part of education. Nigeria guess they take the traveler that they promote the education. Now Nigeria guess for Europe now they copy Oyibo that they wear pants till they do summer because say Oyibo they wear pants till they do summer. I don't get problem with that. But my problem is that Oyibo they carry 3 people till they do marriage. But we don't agree carry 3 people they do marriage. Except the one where they consume money. Because say that your girlfriend don't do wedding, you won't still do wedding. Your husband now you don't pull rope for his neck now. Say you must do wedding, you must do marriage, that your girlfriend don't do marriage. Like say marriage now by force. Your husband never get house, he never even build the whole house reach neat. You will call the force him, may you go do marriage. Now, your husband will carry 1 million, say that go Nigeria. They will carry 100 canopy, carry cow, do everything. 1 million, you will even pass 1 million to do wedding. While you there here, they will carry small boys, small girl to do the wedding for Nigeria. For your man say you don't marry, why your husband don't get house? Why you don't get sense? See, make I tell you, now for Nigeria, now I forget problem. I get problem for people who in Nigeria. People who in Nigeria, person husband go they ride Okada or Keke, and if they face me, I face you, one room. You go still go do wedding. Poor my wedding, I the tough pass for Nigeria. You go count 500,000, 1 million. You go do wedding, everything. But at the end of the day, you go come back to house where you rent. Face me, I face you, one room and parlor. The next day, you go carry Okada, go work, or carry Keke go work. You think say you get sense. Money when you go waste for marriage. If you use that one, settle down. If na small caravan you do with 500,000. They set provision for there. You know go fit achieve what you go to do marriage for front. Una go waste money when support take prime life. They use that they do wedding. Because of una woman now, it don't force una say I want to do. If the man come say no, he never want to do marriage now. You go be like say the man a bad person say you know want do marriage. You know want you do marriage. Maybe you get another plan. You know get another plan. Why una life be like this? Una no fit plan life with una husband. Now competition of marriage now you una call they do now. Person now go day Europe now. You go day here. Why people go day Nigeria they do a wedding? You day here. They spend money anyhow, you never get house. After do wedding finish, no house. For Nigeria, a person go do wedding finish, no house. You go back to house when you rent, face me, I face you. I don't know how to talk to you because we know they copy the good thing, the bad one, not the copy because we know get sense. I go see they do video good and make una get sense. We no want get sense, but this year, if you no get sense, we no get sense again. We no get sense again. Marriage na something we be say God make her dey easy for us. How? If you hold 100,000, carry 3 people, go your wife family, buy drink, buy cola. Now farm there they need to farm there now you want put for her head. Now farm there you want put for her head. Now it be the wedding for inside the farm there. If you put farm there for her head, you don't pay the black price. Be that is farm there. Buy like 5 crates the drink, you don't finish, you don't wed. If you want to go legalize your marriage, make the whole world know say you don't marry, you will go do court wedding. Court wedding not be by force. If you hold 100,000, you fit do court wedding. Now to just carry the certificate come out, they will sign them. Send the letter, go Abuja. Abuja will sign them. They will give you your certificate of marriage. Anywhere you go for the whole world, make the enter computer, they will see and say you are a legalized married man. It's very simple. But una know they do that one because you know they consume money. Now the one where they consume money now they like do. Because they carry canopy, they waste money. Why una like be like this? Why una know one get sense? Why una know one get sense? See, if you no get sense this year, una know get sense again. Una know get sense again.
Thank you for the word so sweet.